Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you feeling stuck? Like you're chasing your dreams, but never quite reaching them? You're not alone. Many of us struggle with negativity, doubt, and a feeling of being lost. But what if there were ancient wisdom that could help us unlock our true potential and find happiness? Today, we're diving into the world of Buddhist teachings, simple yet powerful lessons that have helped millions for centuries. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey of self-discovery, peace, and fulfillment. Lesson 1. The power of giving. Imagine this: by giving to others, you're actually giving to yourself. Sounds crazy, right? But according to Buddhism, generosity is a key to happiness. When we share our time, resources, or even just a kind word, it creates a ripple effect of positivity. We feel good, the recipient feels good, and the whole world becomes a little brighter. Plus, it helps us let go of selfishness and connect with others on a deeper level. Lesson 2. Letting go of attachment. Ever get so attached to something that it stresses you out? Whether it's a material possession, a relationship, or even an outcome, clinging too tightly can lead to suffering. Buddhism teaches us the power of non-attachment. This doesn't mean giving up everything you love, but rather understanding that things are temporary. By accepting impermanence, we can find peace and freedom from unnecessary worry. Lesson 3. Unlocking your inner wisdom. Feeling lost and confused? Sometimes the answers we seek are already within us. Buddhism emphasizes the importance of looking inward. Through practices like meditation and mindfulness, we can quiet the external noise and connect with our inner voice. This journey of self-discovery can reveal hidden strengths, talents, and a sense of purpose that guides us through life. Lesson 4. Walking the humble path. There's a difference between confidence and arrogance. True humility is about recognizing our limitations, acknowledging others, and appreciating all that we have. It means being open to learning, showing gratitude, and letting go of the need to always be right. By walking a humble path, we create space for growth, connection, and inner peace. Lesson 5. Conquering the ego and finding freedom. Our ego can be a tricky thing. It can make us feel superior, separate from others, and ultimately lead to suffering. Buddhism teaches us to transcend the ego. This doesn't mean erasing our individuality, but rather letting go of our limited sense of self and connecting with our higher self. Through self-awareness, compassion, and wisdom, we can find true freedom and joy beyond the ego's grasp. Lesson 6. Starting small, achieving big. Do you ever get overwhelmed by your dreams? Remember, even the biggest journeys begin with a single step. Buddhism teaches the power of taking small, consistent actions. Instead of getting paralyzed by the enormity of your goals, break them down into bite-sized pieces. Celebrate each small victory and watch as your progress snowballs into incredible achievements. Lesson 7. The power of your thoughts. What you think about has a big impact on your life. According to Buddhism, your thoughts are like seeds that can grow into positive or negative experiences. By focusing on positive thoughts, gratitude, and abundance, you're setting the stage for a happier, more fulfilling life. Remember, your mind is a powerful tool. Use it wisely. These are just a few of the many life-changing lessons offered by Buddhist teachings. Remember, this is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the lessons, take them one step at a time, and watch as you unlock your true potential and live a life filled with peace, purpose, and joy.